Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well out there today. It is, as you can see, a beautiful November morning. It's like in the 60s right now. It's very odd. This weather isn't gonna last much longer. So I figured I could get one last little upgrade to the Mustang thing right there in the garage. I got them from China. So obviously not gonna be much of a performance enhancer, but more of a visual thing on the floor mats. So let's get to it. All right guys, like I said in the beginning part, my upgrade or my enhancement visually will be on the floor mats. I bought this used, so I do not believe these are the original. They're very nice shape. Obviously, they got them in the front and the back. But let's take a look, actually, because I had some other mats on this, and there they are. Now these may be the stock ones that he had in there originally. Kind of ugly, nasty. They obviously look like they would hold water to prevent it from leaking over, but I still like them. Had those on there at one point, so I took all those off, and let's close the trunk. I got these things from China. Here we go. So they're like all faux leather. I doubt that they are actual leather, but pretty nice. Form-fitting, got the white highlights. You can get them in any color. Just got these off of eBay. They obviously came pretty wrinkled up, so I kind of let them sit in the sun a little bit to soften up and kind of get the wrinkles out. But here's the back seat version, or part. And you had the option to get just the front, the back, or the whole package. They had a deal going on. At the time these were going, they were like $100 for the whole set. Sometimes they were even more than that, 126. This place on eBay I found, it's kind of just, you know, hit or miss. They had a deal going on where I could get all front and back for like $60 even. It took about a month and a half for it to get here, but it just surprised me one day, popped in. I mean, it's really good quality, nice stitching. It's got the little thing there you can put your heels on. So I'm going to remove these old mats and see what we got. So I'll just kind of do a before. There's the before in the front. Let's get the seat back here. Can't really see too well, but there is the back. Just regular back seat. So I believe I'll have to take there's a little pin under each, or push thing, it pops up and the seat will lift in, and then I believe that Mustang, the leather will slip underneath there. So let's get to it, see what it looks like. And there it is. That's pretty straightforward. Fits in there nice and snug. Goes off to the sides here. I don't know if I got the camera showing that. But yeah, looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and put the other front in, and then we'll get to the back. And that's it. they're both in. You know, that's pretty decent. Fits on the side here, so let's try to get the back in and we'll show you the final results. Okay, this might be hard to show, but obviously there's the back seat is up. Hard for me to show you, but there's a little, there it is. It's a little button, pushes in, goes in. It's hard to do with one hand. Goes in right there. Now, so I'm just gonna lift the seat. All right, try this again. Oh, you little one-handed does not seem to do it too well. There we go. All right, I got the back seat up. This is the part that's perplexing. This doesn't seem to fit real well. And then when you put it up here, this covers the slot. So I'm pushing back. It fits decent, but when the seat goes down, it's completely gonna cover up this Mustang logo. And it doesn't fit like that, because then it wrinkles or bends this. So I'm assuming that was just some sort of a design flaw. I don't know much about American cars over there when they're stitching and getting the patterns correct, but this one was incorrect. I thought the pattern would be up here, but this appears to be the only way that it fits, but it fits nonetheless, and it's form-fitting. So we're just gonna kind of, I guess, just push this lip to here, put the seat over it, and call it a day. Not like I have a lot of people in the back seat anyway. All right. Okay. Well, it's in. There's the back seat. A little sloppy right here, but it fits. Goes around the back of the seat rail there. On the other side, and you got one that kind of goes around the edge there. Now that Mustang logo is just totally gone. It's hiding in the barn. Makes no sense. And on to the other side as well. Got that little piece that hangs out on both sides. It's kind of sloppy. Not a big fan of that. But for the rest of it, get the seat back. I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks real good. And then just kind of matches the white with the little white runners there. The white Mustang stitched in. And on the other side, I think it looks good. Just kind of adds to the black and white theme that the car originally has. I wish I could have got these in 3 colors. I would have had a small little red highlight, because I keep telling you guys I want to do a little red highlight once I get the final project done. But all in all, not bad for 60 bucks. So there it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Quick, short, little, sweet little interior upgrade to the Stang thing. Like I said, probably not gonna have another video till it starts to warm up again. I've still got a few ideas I'm gonna do, so bear with me. Obviously this is a build on a budget, and I am Mr. Budget. I gotta get the money when I can, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe, hit the bell notifications and tell all your friends, and as always guys, follow your obsession. Have a good one.